Want to know the difference between Simply Earth and other big essential oil companies? We both sell pure oils, but we sell them at an honest price. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth. I'm a certified aromatherapist, and I'm going to tell you what makes Simply Earth different from those other companies. Other big essential oil companies inflate their prices to cover the middlemen. They say their price reflects the quality of the oil, but it's really reflecting the number of people between you and that oil. When you buy an oil from a doTERRA or Young Living representative, that person is only getting 40% of the profit. The rest of it is going up through the chain of command to the people who aren't doing any of the work. When you buy from Simply Earth, we cut out the middleman. That's how we are able to get you essential oils that are pure at an affordable price. We partner with small businesses all over the country, so you might see our oils for sale at a small boutique or with a massage therapist. That person selling the oils is receiving all of the profit for that sale. To learn more about what makes us different, click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to being a part of your journey to a toxin-free home.